Hi friends, subscribe my channel A to Z Technical Education and also press on the bell icon so that you never miss my latest videos and update. Hi friends, welcome to my channel A to Z Technical Education. Myself Sahil Hussain and today I am talking about game. I think most of you are familiar with that game, that is Player Unknown Battlefield. In short we call it PUBG. Today I will talk about its background, from where it had formed and some fact about it. So let's start the video. Player Unknown's Battlegrounds PUBG is an online multiplayer battle royale game developed and published by PUBG Corporation, a subsidiary of South Korea video game company named Bluehole. The game is based on previous modes that were created by Britain Players Unknown Greeny for others games using the file Battleground for inspirations and extended into a stand-hold game under Greeny creative direction. In the game, up to 100 players parachute onto an island and search for weapons and equipment to kill others while avoiding getting killed themselves. The available safe area of the game's map decreases in size over time, directing surviving players into tighter areas for forced encounters. Battleground received positive receptions from critics during both its earlier access period and on official release. We found that while the game still was not fully finished and had some technical flaws, Battleground presented new types of gameplay that could be easily approached by players of any skill level and was highly replayable. The game received several Game of the Year nominations among other accolades, and it considered by Greeny to be the defining game of the Battle Royale for its style and music. Several other videos games following in Battleground success added Battle Royale style modes, while a number of clones primarily out of China also appeared. PUBG Corporation had run several small tournaments and introduced in-game tools to help with broadcasting the game to spectators as they wished for it to become a popular esports. Friends, if you found anything interesting in this video, please like the video, share the video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest videos and updates. Thanks for watching my video.